McDonald's just dropped their new Big Arch Burger, and I want to make it at home from scratch. This thing has a sesame and poppy seed bun, 2 quarter-pound beef patties, 3 slices of white cheddar, crispy fried onions, raw onions, pickles, lettuce, and their new tangy Big Arch sauce. I'm going to get started by making the buns from scratch. I'm going to add half a packet of yeast to my 96 grams of warm milk, and get that mixed up to hydrate the yeast. It's important that your milk is warm for this step. Then I'm going to add 40 grams of sourdough discard, followed by 23 grams of melted butter, 10 grams of honey, and 1 large egg. I'm going to get that all mixed up really good and set that aside for a second while I bring in my 200 grams of bread flour in a mixing bowl, where I'll add 4 grams of salt, followed by that yeast mixture we just made. I'm going to get that mixed together and knead that for 10 minutes to form a dough. This part is a nice forearm workout and a bit tiring, but it's necessary for our buns to come out soft and fluffy. Now that I'm done kneading the dough, I'm going to let that rise for 1 hour. Now that our dough is done rising, I'm going to punch out the gas out of the dough and form it into a rectangle. Then I'm going to divide the dough into 4, but I'm going to make 2 of them larger for this video since the bun on the Big Arch Burger is on the larger side, and I'll be using the smaller portions for a different video. Now that I shaped my dough into buns, I'm going to let these rise one more time for 30 minutes. To make the egg wash for the buns, I'm going to mix 1 egg and about 1/4 cup of milk. This should give it that color that McDonald's buns have. And I'm going to brush that on the buns and sprinkle with poppy seeds and sesame seeds. Those are going to bake for 16 minutes at 375 degrees. The Big Arch sauce is described as tomato forward, so for the burger sauce I'm mixing mayo, a generous amount of ketchup, mustard, and relish. For the burger patties, I'm forming thin quarter-pound patties using 80/20 and seasoning with salt. I'll get those cooked up while I sliver some onions, and then we'll assemble the burger. I think the buns came out perfectly. I'm going to build it out just like McDonald's. Our burger sauce goes down first on both buns, then 1 slice of white cheddar cheese, crispy onions, burger, cheese, then topped with pickles, lettuce, and fresh slivers of onion. This looks pretty good. Let's see if I could take a better bite than the McDonald's CEO. This turned out absolutely delicious, and it definitely tastes pretty spot on to McDonald's with a homemade feel to it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day.